what is this? Someone commented on my okay. It is just a really pretty gold. Ooh, ano ba? Cooperate. Oh yeah. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my January favorites video. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. I reached 10,000 subscribers yesterday. Today is, ano ba tayo ngayon? 27? Yeah, January 27. Sobra. I just can't believe it. Sobra. Thank you guys. Ayoko magdrama. So, basta alam niyo na. Okay, so onto my favorites. I'm gonna start with skincare products. First thing in the list is the IWhite 2-Minute Whitening Miracle Wash Off Mask. Actually, dalawa na lang natira kong sachet. And that makes me really sad. If you haven't watched my review and demo on this one, I will leave the link below. Someone commented in one of my videos telling me that they couldn't get this to be watery on the face. Okay, advice ko lang, please apply a really thin layer. You do not really need that much with this one. So as in, sobrang thin layer lang na to. And then 2 minutes or depending upon your skin chemistry or whatever, it should liquefy. Next skincare product is the Garnier Light Brightening Eye Roll-On. If you've been on this channel for a while, and if you've watched some of my previous videos, you would know na yung under eyes ko talaga is one of my problems kasi I have dark under eyes, you guys. I've been using this for 3 months now, and I can say it works. Hindi as in even na yung color ng under eyes ko at saka the rest of my face, but it really did brighten it up a little. And I use this every single day, sometimes twice a day, basta after kong i-wash yung face ko. And I really like it. It feels really nice on the under eyes. Yung kanyang roller ball thingy is parang metal, so meron siyang really nice relaxing cooling effects under eyes mo. Okay, next one is the YCSkincare Kojic Papaya Scrub with Bleach Gluta. This is from YCSkincare. I will leave their links below. And this is my all-time favorite blush. This is my all-time favorite scrub, you guys. It just feels really nice on the skin. It moisturizes my skin like no other. Lagi ko na ito sinasabi sa vlogs ko. Na-feature ko na to sa previous favorites video ko. Na kapag ginagamit ko to, hindi ko na kailangang mag-lotion at all. Look at that. Wala na siya kasi nga, it's my favorite. I use it all the time. Okay, another bath-related product is this bad boy right here. It's a bath mitt. Ito yung from Watson's brand, you guys. And I don't have the actual bath mitt with me right now because I use it. It's like soaking wet right now. But I will post a picture right here. That's what it looks like. I personally love taking showers. I love scrubbing my skin. That sounds kind of creepy. This bath mitt feels really good on the skin. After ko siya i-scrub, after ko siya i-rinse off, I just feel like I'm the cleanest. Like, sobrang linis ko na. Bongga. This is really inexpensive. $79.50 lang siya. I highly recommend. Okay, next one is this guy right here. This is a facial cleansing pad. I got this from Singapore. Isa sa mga dollar store dun sa Bugis Street nung nagpunta kami. I got this for only $1. So mga 32 to 35 pesos lang. Kung alam ko lang na as in magugustuhan ko siya, I would have gotten 5 of these. Ginagamit ko siya sa mukha ko. Of course, it just feels really nice. Hindi siya harsh sa skin at all. Just like after using the bath mitt, my face feels really clean when I use this with my facial wash. I'm pretty sure makikita nyo to sa Daiso kasi nakita ko siya na feature siya ni Andrea Bautista sa isa sa mga hauls niya. Okay, next one in here is the EPSA Organic Brown Rice Moisture Conditioner. I've been using this non-stop since I got this. I mean, I really still like my Verdon and my Keratin na galing din sa Prettyangelshoppe. But ito yung laging ginagamit ko for the month of December. I think I got this first week or second week of December. And yeah, I've been using it since then. Mas mabango siya sa Verdon. So kung nababanguhan kayo sa Verdon ng bonggang-bongga, mas magugustuhan nyo to, you guys. Sobrang bango niya. As usual, ilalagay ko yung mga prices and product information below kung saan nyo siya makukuha and all that. Okay, so on to the makeup. First thing is this Mary Kay concealer. I have mine in the shade Beige 2. I did a review on this already. I will leave the link below. I have this on my under eyes right now. I just really like this. It's really nice. It blends in really nicely on my skin. And gusto ko yung packaging niya kasi meron siyang maliit na tip dyan na as in ako control mo talaga kung ilang product yung gusto mong ilabas from here. Okay, so onto the lipsticks. I have two right here. The first one is the Maybelline Colorshow Creamy Matte Lip Color in the shade Lively Violet. I also have a review on this. I will leave the link below. This is just for me a perfect everyday shade. If you're looking for a nude shade that smells amazing, this one smells delicious. As in, sobrang bango niya. Sarap kainin. This shade is just so freaking pretty, you guys. And this is the creamiest matte lipstick I have tried in my entire life. And then the next lipstick is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam. I got this from ajourchicshoppe. Again, link will be below. It is a freaking true matte color. The formula is so amazing as well. Very lightweight sa lips, and also this smells delicious as well. Oh my gosh. Another lip product is, of course, my Menow Truelips Lipliner pencil. I have all 12 shades. I got this from Prettyangelshoppe, and I did a review on this as well as a swatches video. I will leave those videos below. This is what I have on my lips right now, number 57. I really like this shade. And then I also really like number 51, which I hope I can find. But number 51 is also a really nice pinkish nude lip color. I really like it. And then this one, number 55, it's a Vava Boom deep red color. I also really like that. Okay, next naman are brushes. And I'm pretty sure alam niyo na to kung nanonood kayo ng vlogs ko. I'm a big fan of fat brushes. I have the Eco Tools bronzer brush, but I use this as a powder brush. And I have another powder brush right here. This is like legit powder brush. This is the one from Monkini. This is perfect for all over the face. This one for concentrated areas like under my eyes. So kapag naglalagay ako ng powder or nagbe-blend ako ng powder under my eyes, this is what I use. And gustong-gusto ko lang talaga yung matatabang handle. I just feel like mas madali siyang i-control, mas madaling hawakan. Alam mo yun? I don't know. I'm just a big fan. Okay, next up are nail polishes. This one is from Sephora. I got this as a gift from a really nice viewer, Julie. Thank you so much for sending this. I have it on my nails right now, and this is scented nail polish, you guys, and it is freaking scented. Like, totoo talaga, scented talaga siya. Siguro mga 3 araw na sa nails ko and I still can smell it. Nagpunta ako ng city one day and then lagi ko inaamoy yung kamay ko. Parang akong addict, you guys. I wasn't expecting na as in magsistay talaga siya na mabango kahit na ilang beses na ako naligo, ilang beses na ako naghugas ng kamay. Like, and then another nail polish is the Sansan nail polish in the shade Tahiti Brown. The first time I used it, I didn't really like it that much. But you guys, I received a lot of compliments when I wear this on my nails. And napaisip ako, I was like, you know what? Yeah, it looks good naman. So, nagustuhan ko na siya. Bonggang-bongga din naman yung formula ng Sansan. Napansin ko sa Sansan, hindi siya ganun kabilis mag-dry compared sa other nail polishes na meron ako. And then, another favorite of mine is the necklace I'm wearing right now. This is from Kim's Collections 2015 on Instagram. It is just a really pretty gold necklace. Like, I seriously love this necklace. And hanggang ngayon, you guys, hindi pa rin siya nagka-tarnish and it's still in perfect condition. Ilang weeks na to sa akin. I wear this non-stop. Ito yung go-to necklace ko. Thank you so much, Kim, for sending this. And then last random favorite is an app. It's actually a game app. It's the Color Switch app. I've been obsessed. I haven't been playing for a few days now kasi naging busy ng bonggang-bongga yung life ko. I'm really liking this game. Nakaka-addict siya. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share ang app na yon. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much, guys. Again, for 10,000 freaking subscribers. I can't even believe. But thank you so much. Thank you for always watching my video. Thank you sa laging pagko-comment. As in, I really appreciate you all. And yes, please do like the video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, make it. Bye!